You want to grow on Instagram and you have did everything you can do, but still followers are not growing. So what's up guys, Udit here, and today is day 10 of 30-day challenge and summers are back. I really hate summers. But anyways, in this video I'm going to give you some reasons that may be harming your Instagram account from getting more followers. So the first one is you're not understanding your audience. I've seen a lot of people who just keep producing content but no one's love them. They think they are producing good content but they are not good. See guys, if you love your content, that doesn't mean people love your content. Just go out and ask some real people that is it good or not. So understand what your audience want. Don't do what you want. Alright, so the second reason that you're not growing is because you're not understanding the power of hashtag. I've seen a lot of people not using proper hashtags. See guys, never forget the power of hashtags. If you use proper hashtag, you will grow for sure, man. It's not a big deal. Maybe what you're doing is you're using spammy hashtags like follow for follow, comment for comment, likes for likes, or maybe you're just copy and pasting same hashtags on your every post. This is not a great thing. Instagram don't like this. Always try to change your hashtags according to your images or videos, whatever you post, according to your post, I mean. So the third reason, you're not promoting your Instagram post. See guys, Instagram ads is cheapest right now in 2019, and very soon the price will go high and then you'll regret. This is a golden time to promote your post and get viral on the Instagram. You can just promote your post from $1 to $2, like for 40 to 60 rupees in India. So guys, do that, save money and promote your account. If you have hunger, you'll grow, man. That's it. So guys, that's it for this video. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you in the next one.